How to check graphics card on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It's a pretty straightforward process if you do not know which graphics or GPU card you are using. Within a minute, you will be able to know what exactly it is. So for that, do a right click in the start icon and then click on Task Manager. Now, once the Task Manager is opened, we can maximize it, and at the very top you will have the tabs like Processes, Performance, App History. So I'll click on Performance tab, and here not only you can get to know about your graphics, you can also check your memory card and CPU. So at the bottom I can see GPU, which means graphics card. So I'll click on that, and I can see I have Intel UHD graphics, and it has 4 GB, round of 4 GB graphics. And if I click on my CPU, here you can see at the top 11th generation i3. And if I click on memory, from here you can see it has 8 GB RAM. And if you click on disk, we can check the type if you're using a SSD or HDD. So I can see it has a capacity of 239 GB. So with the help of Task Manager, not only you can check the graphics card, you can also check your disk, memory card, and CPU. I hope you have enjoyed this informative video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.